I previously assisted a client who is a Philippine passport holder and a skilled worker in the UK. He successfully got his Schengen visa approved. I helped him with the entire process, like filing out his application form, booking his TLS appointment, and guiding him with all his requirements. So here's the step-by-step guide on how to apply a Schengen visa in the UK. Step 1. Identify which country's embassy or visa application center to apply to. So apply at the embassy or visa application center of the country where you will spend the most days during your trip. If you will stay the same number of days in different countries, apply at the embassy of the country you will enter first. So I will give you an examples. Example number 1. If you will stay 5 days in France and 3 days in Spain, apply at the French embassy. Example number 2. If you will stay 5 days in France and 5 days also in Spain, so you need to apply at the embassy of the country you will enter first. Step number 2. Check your visa type. Apply for a tourist visa if the purpose of travel is for leisure or holidays. Apply for a visit visa if the purpose of travel is to visit your friends, your family members, or a partner. Apply for a national visa D or long stay visa if you plan to stay longer than 90 days. Step number 3, prepare the required documents. So each country has a bit different requirements, but here's the basic or the general list of documents that you need to provide. First is the visa application form, your passport. So your passport should be valid for at least 3 months after your intended return date and with at least 2 blank pages. Next is your UK residence permit. Must be valid for at least 3 months after your return. Next is your passport-sized photo, cover letter explaining your purpose of travel, your itinerary, and include anything, any details that can help convince the consul to approve your visa application. So the cover letter is actually not required or not necessary, but it's highly recommended to make your application formal and stronger. Next is the proof of travel arrangements. So a flight reservation is already accepted by the embassy. That means you don't need to book a confirmed ticket yet. Next is your proof of accommodation. It's either hotel booking or an invitation letter from your host. Next is your travel insurance. Must have a minimum 30,000 euros coverage and must be valid in all Schengen countries. Next is your proof of financial means. So you need to provide your bank statements for the last 3 months. And then your proof of ties to the UK, your proof of occupation there. So for example, if you are employed, provide employment letter. You can also include your pay slips for the last 3 months, your work contract if available, and your approved vacation leave. If you are self-employed in the UK, provide a recent letter confirming self-employment or business ownership in the UK. And if you are a student, provide a student letter. You can also provide tenancy agreement or any proof of family ties in the UK, if applicable. Next is the step number 4. Once you completed all the list of requirements, now you need to book your appointment. So most embassies don't accept direct application. You will usually need to go through their official service provider like VFS Global, BLS, TLS Contact. So for example, my client applied for a German Schengen visa, and Germany uses TLS Contact in the UK. So I booked his appointment there. Before you apply for a Schengen visa, check the official website of the embassy you're applying to for the exact process. Step number 5, go to your appointment. So on the day of your appointment, you need to bring all the required documents, the original and photocopies, and you also need to provide your biometrics there and pay the visa fee. So as of November 2025, the visa fee is 90 euros. Plus, there is also a visa application center service charge. So step number 6, wait for the result. Processing time usually takes around 15 working days, but it can take longer during peak season or if the embassy asks for extra documents. Step number 7, check your visa. So once you received your passport, make sure to double check all the details on your visa. So your correct spelling of your name, passport number, the entry and exit dates, days of the duration of your stay, and the type of your visa, if it's single entry or multiple entries. So if you noticed any mistake, you need to contact the visa application center right away before your trip. Now, if your visa gets refused, you don't need to panic, okay? Check the refusal letter carefully. It will state the reason for refusal. So from there, you have 2 options. Either you file an appeal, so the instructions are written on your refusal letter, so you need to check everything in your refusal letter. Or you can also reapply. So for reapplication, you only need to follow the same steps mentioned in this video. But make sure to address the reason why your previous application was denied and add any additional supporting documents. So I have already helped over 100 clients get their Schengen visa approved. So if you need assistance, just visit my website, rudztravel.com, and or you can also send me an email at rudztravel@web.de. So if you have any questions or need clarifications, just comment it below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!